Crisis action, let's get this started. Okay, man. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Get my honor. Why not renew this? Nah, forget it. I found a new gun. Oh, that worked. Claim my rewards. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got this. Wait, no. Yeah, bro. Bro. Yo, yesterday, this game gave me this gun, bro. It is. But look. Look at that. That is. What? Look at that thing. The MD3. This thing looks vicious. Why not? Let's do this. It's time to go into action. No. No. Come on. Come on. Let's just quick join. Oh! No, forget it. Forget it. Sorry guys, I can't do this. I don't want to do this. Alright, now let's look for my rookie. That is 2. God, man. These people playing. Come on, I can't. Dag. Let me see. No. Oh my god. Like, yo, these games are full. Oh my gosh. There's on Route 2. Come on, there's no games. No. Oh my gosh, man, there's no games. I died. I'll do this. Alright, let's go, man, in the Bio Temple. Alright. Where's that? Oh, come on, it's only me and this. Oh, I'm about to say. Why am I shooting? I'm actually glad it's my gun. I'm glad my gun is a rifle and not a sniper. Yo, I hate being the mother, bro. Like, trust me. Alright. Nah, cause there's usually people over here who be hiding. Where are they? Oh, he's right there. Jump. He's right there. He went through the door. Got him. Got him, coach. Dag. Oh, yeah, he's on top. Yep, he's on top. Come on, go the other way. God. I had to fall. I'm gonna go do the secret passage. Oh, there he is. Dag! Dag! How is he shooting us? Dag! Dag, man, he's hiding in the tunnel. Go, go, go. Dag, man! Gosh. His gun don't play. Come on, go, 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 go. Yo, chill. He didn't even hit me. Thank you. But like, dog, he didn't even hit me with that much. That means he has a gun. He has a mean gun. That means good. More people joined. Yo, why me? Got him. Surprise! Got him, coach. Is there anybody in here? No. Yes, I got him, coach. Alright, come on. Come on, man. Go, go, go. I hear gunshots. Of course they're in there. Oh, nice. Got him. Ugh. I was dead about to get him, but okay. Ugh. Died. That was so quick. Alright, let's go. I really hope I'm not the mother. So please, game, not me. Me? Bruh. Where's the guy go? Bruh, he's right there. And he's reloading. Got him. I can't even move out the way. Nice, man. Got him. And there's gonna be a lot of people. I'm not even gonna try it. Wait, don't. You're not telling me that everyone is up. How did he make that? How did he make that up there? Somebody look right there. There's an ammo chest, but I'm the mother, of course. Okay, gosh. Like, I've been the mother this 3 times in a row. So, let's see if I can find a way to get that guy over there. Oh, there's somebody. Leave me alone. He's right there! Got his neck! Man, he was right there too. Surprise! Got him, coach. He was paying attention to them over there. So, I got him. Okay, man. Is there anybody right here? No. Where is this guy? Come on, move. No, he's not there. Where can he be? Dag. That guy disappeared. Gosh. Alright, let's go. Let's do this last time. Matter of fact, okay, forget it. Not me. Good. Me and this other guy right here. Oh my gosh, come on. I'm looking up because he could just like jump up there. He could just jump down here. I'm approaching. Uh-oh. Nice. He killed him, so that gives me time. I'm up. Yes. There we go. I'm using my knife right now. Oh, he killed him. Let's go. Dag. This gun is a boss. I'm telling you, bro. Like, this gun is a boss. This guy better hurry up, though. No, it's right there. Dag, yes. The guy's right there, bro. Turn around. Yo, move out the way. Dag. Yo, it would be very, very nice if this guy would just move out the way, please. Alright, come on. Oh! I need ammo for my pistol, but whatever. Yo, our guns do not play. Yo, is that guy in the tunnel still alive? Yo, if he is... And we won. Let's go. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna end the video right now. So, peace. Have a good life. Have a nice life. Have a nice week. And I'll see you guys.